Question number 31. What is the primary use of the Azure form recognition? Recognize emotion from the face? No, this is the language, face detection. Option B, translate text into the multiple language. Translate the text from the multiple, that is natural language. Leave it. Option D, extract text, key value pairs and table from the document. Yes, this can be. So correct answer is option C, where is the predict the numerical value from the database. No, this is not the part of the face. Form recognition from the form we can detect or extract the value which we required, like invoice number, invoice value, total value, date, like this. So that is the from form we can recognize the our desired value. Correct answer is option C. Question number 32. This is the statement based question. In this we have to decide either the statement is true or false, or the statement is yes or no. So first statement is providing an example, providing an explanation of the outcome of a credit loan application is an example of the Microsoft transparency principle of responsible AI. Yes, the principle of responsible AI explain how we are giving the credit of the loan to applicant. So this is the statement is true. Statement 2. Triggers both a prioritized insurance claim based on the injuries is an example of the Microsoft reliability and safety principle of the responsible. No, this is also the principle of transparency. So statement 2 is false. Statement 3, an AI solution offer a different prices of the different sales trees in example of the Microsoft inclusivity principle of the responsible. No, this statement is also false. So first statement is true, second is false, and third is also false. Means first statement is yes, and rest two statement is no. Question number 33. Which AI capability is used to understand customer feedback written in text? Computer vision, that is used to see the image, identify the image or object. So option A is incorrect. Option B is speech recognition, by which we can identify who is speaking and which type of the means male, female, means speech to recognize we use speech recognition. Sentiment analysis. Yes, this is the base analysis of the Azure by which we can identify that what is the person is sentiment, is he or she is sad or happy or normal mode. So sentiment analytics is correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. Object detection, this is used to identify where is the object in that given area. So correct answer is option C is sentiment analysis. Question number 34. This is again a statement-based question in which there is some principle of AI and the basis of this principle which fit in these given three statements. Fairness, privacy and security, reliability and safety, transparency. Statement, the system must not discriminate based on the gender race. This is the no reliability, safety, privacy, security, transparency. No, this is the principle of fairness. Personal data must be visible only to approve. This is the privacy and security. Automated decision making process must be the recorded so that approved user can identify why a decision was made. This is the part of the transparency. So first statement was the gender race. For that, there is the fairness. Second means first is the fairness, and second one is the uh, security, privacy and security, and third one is the transparency. Question number 35. What is reinforcement learning? Learning from the label example, learning without data, learning through trail and error with rewards, learning with human instruction. So First of all, we need to know about the reinforcement learning. So, reinforcement learning is the type of machine learning where an agent learn by the interacting with the environment to achieve the goal. Instead of being the told exactly what to do, like supervised learning, in this the agent learn through the trial and the error and guide by the reward and the penalty. So here option A, learning from the labeled example, no. Learning without data, no. Learning through the trail and error reward. So correct answer is option C. Question number 36. You are building an AI based app. You need to ensure that the app use the principle of responsible AI. Which two principles should follow each correct statement part of the solution? A. Implement an agile software development methodology. Implement a process of AI model validation as the part of the software review process. Option C. Established a risk governance committee that include the member of the legal team, member of the risk management team, and the privacy officer. Option D. Prevent the disclosure of the use of AI-based algorithms for the automated decision making. So let's analyze the option carefully. Here we are talking about the responsible AI, that is the fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy. Right. Option A, implement an agile software development methodology. No, not specific to responsible AI. Agile is the software practice, not an AI governance principle. Right. So option A is incorrect. Whereas option B, implement a process of AI model validate as a part of the software review process. Yes, the validation ensure that the fairness, accuracy, and reliability and safety. So all core principle of the AI is in practice. Yes. So option B is the correct. Where option C, established a risk governance committee that include the member of legal team, member of the risk management team, and the privacy officer. Yes, governance, accountability, and the oversight are the key principle of the responsible AI. So option C is also correct. Whereas option D, prevent the disclosure. No, wrong. Responsible AI emphasize the transparency. So hiding AI uses goes the against of it. Right. So option D is also incorrect. So correct answer is option uh, B and option C. Question number 37. According to Microsoft, principle of responsible AI system that should not reflect bias from the data set that are used to train the system. So from here, if you see that we do not have a bias with the related to the data. So for that, fairness is the correct answer. Why? Because fairness means the AI system should treat all the people equally and avoid the discrimination related to the gender, race, age, and religion, disability and other protected attributes, right? So if the data set contain the bias, the AI may produce unfair and discriminatory outcomes. So correct answer will be the fairness principle of the AI. So here we will select the fairness. Question number 38. What service in Azure allow you to build conversational AI application? A. Azure AI Q&A Maker. Option B. Azure Board Service. Option C. Azure Key Vault. Option D. Azure Board Service. So the question is, what service in Azure allow you to build the conversation? So for the conversation, you know that the option B, Azure Board Service, they know Azure Board Service like any, right? Azure Key Vault is something related to the uh, managing the secrets, key and certificates, right? So option C is also incorrect. Whereas option D, Azure Board Service, again it's a repeating. Blob Service. Blob Service is used to uh, store the file. So correct answer is Azure Q&A Maker. So the correct answer is option A, Azure Q&A Maker. Question number 39. In this question, we have few uh, definitions and few words. Basis of that, we need to select their statement, which statement is matching to which word. So we have approx five, yes, five words, and the basis of that we need to select their related sentences. So first is the feature engineering. What is the feature engineering? Feature engineering is the something, the process by which we transforming a raw data into the meaningful data. This is the feature engineering. Then what is the feature selection? The feature selection is the process of choosing the most relevant feature from the data set. Model training. Model training is the something like what is the feeding in train during the training to data, that is the model training. Then model evaluation. Model evaluation is the measuring how well we train the model to perform unseen test data, right? And then deployment. So what is the deployment? Deployment is making the trained model API, a model that available to real world, right? So now we know all the words and their definitions. Now we have to select the statement, which statement is selected to the which statement. Again, if you want to know, then I can explain. Feature engineering is the something by which we are creating the input. Feature selection is the pick the best input. Model training is by which we can teach the model using the data. And model evaluation, that is something by which we can test how well we it perform. And model deployment put it to the real world users. Right. Now our question is the examining the value of the confusion matrix. That is the feature engineering, right? Because in the engineering, creating the meaningful input, splitting data into the month, days, year. That is the feature selection by which we can pick the best input, right? Picking the temperature and pressure to train a weather model. This is the part of the model deployment. Now we have to select which statement belongs from the which definition. So first statement is the examining the value of the confusion matrix. So for that we have a model deployment, model evaluation, and model training. So there is the model evaluation is the belongs from the examining the value of the confusion. Splitting date into the month, day, and year. That is the feature engine. And picking temperature and pressure to train weather model, that is the feature selection. Question number 14. Which of the following is the not a category of the machine learning? A supervised learning, option B, unsupervised learning, option C, reinforcement learning, D, scripted learning. So as we know that the machine learning, in the machine learning, there is the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. All the questions, all the definition I explained because few questions related to the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning previous questions, right? So I think all these three are related to the AI, but only scripted learning is not the part of the machine learning. So correct answer is option D.